Are you looking to promote your GetResponse affiliate link and want to know exactly how to make it work for you? Stick around, because in this video, I'll walk you through the most effective ways to promote your GetResponse affiliate link and maximize your earnings. By the end, I'll even show you some alternatives that might be better suited to your goals, so stay tuned. Let's get straight into it. First things first, to promote GetResponse, you need to know the affiliate program inside out. This means understanding what GetResponse offers, what makes it stand out, and why people should choose it. As an email marketing platform, GetResponse is known for its robust features like automation workflows, landing page builders, and a solid email editor. But here's the catch, just knowing that isn't enough. You need to be able to communicate why it's the best solution for your audience. Next, build trust with your audience. If you're going to promote GetResponse affiliate links, you need a platform where your audience already trusts you. Whether it's a blog, YouTube channel, or social media presence, make sure you're offering valuable content first. Talk about email marketing, business growth, or even marketing automation. By creating content that's helpful and informative, you'll naturally introduce GetResponse as a tool that can make those goals a reality. The third thing is using your affiliate link strategically. It's not just about pasting it everywhere. First, try creating in-depth reviews, tutorials, or case studies that genuinely show how GetResponse can help a business grow. This gives your link more credibility. Don't just tell them GetResponse is great, show them. A simple link in the description isn't enough unless you've earned the trust of your audience through solid content. Now, for the fourth thing, leverage email marketing to promote GetResponse. It's a bit meta, but it works. If you already use GetResponse, why not use it to market GetResponse? Create an email campaign offering a free trial or exclusive tips and include your affiliate link in those emails. Your audience is already interested in email marketing, so this is a natural way to tie in your affiliate promotion. Next, if you're running ads, make sure your campaigns target the right audience. GetResponse offers great tools for running email campaigns, but using paid ads for affiliate promotion can really boost your reach. You can even run Facebook or Google ads promoting GetResponse's free trial to attract potential users. The goal here is to put your link in front of people who are already interested in email marketing or looking for marketing solutions. Now, I promise to give you a competitive perspective. While GetResponse is a solid platform, it's not the only player in the game. There are alternatives like ConvertKit or ActiveCampaign that some people find more user-friendly, depending on their specific needs. In some cases, these might even be better options for people looking for more advanced automation or simpler interfaces. So, here's the thing. While GetResponse is a great tool for beginners and people wanting a broad range of features, there are other tools that might offer better conversion rates, depending on your audience. And if you're serious about getting the best deals, there are affiliate programs that might offer better perks or higher commissions. Finally, before I wrap up, I want to mention something special. Through the link in the description, you'll get access to an exclusive and extended free trial of GetResponse, giving you a chance to try it out risk-free. But remember, I've also included some fantastic alternatives that might align better with your goals. These alternatives also offer free trials, so you can test them out too and see which one works best for you. Only through this link will you get the best free trial and exclusive benefits. So, if you're looking to promote GetResponse, remember, it's all about building trust, creating solid content, and using your affiliate link strategically. Keep testing, keep improving, and you'll be on your way to earning commissions in no time. And as always, make sure to check out the alternatives linked below that may work better for your affiliate marketing goals.